Did you know a bartender risked everything to expose a criminal scheme that was destroying innocent lives? Brian had been sober for 8 months when he started working at Eclipse, the city's hottest nightclub. The job was perfect for his recovery program requirements until he noticed something disturbing. Certain wealthy customers would suddenly become dizzy after just one drink, then slip and fall in carefully staged accidents. The same staff members always witnessed these incidents, giving identical testimony about dangerous conditions. Within days, expensive lawsuits would follow. Brian realized the drinks were being drugged, the falls were planned, and his coworkers were lying in court. When management pressured him to participate, he refused and started secretly recording conversations. They threatened him, sabotaged his AA meetings, and tried to get him fired. For weeks, he gathered evidence while fighting to stay sober under extreme pressure. His recordings helped police arrest the owner and expose dozens of victims. The whistleblower reward changed his life, but keeping his integrity intact meant everything.